Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, I am always searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home jobs, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on if you don't want to miss another video upload from me. Some jobs go very quickly as they are very popular. So if you see something that you like and are interested in, it never hurts to put that application in. If you get offers from other places, you can always decline an interview later. But with that being said, the company TWC Global, they provide workforce needs to companies including payroll, staffing, auditing, and compliance. They are hiring a client support ticket specialist. Since this is a ticket specialist, it is all written word through online tickets, so it is non-phone based. They're hiring someone to start immediately. So they are urgently hiring. Their pay rate is $18 to $20 an hour. This is open to anyone throughout the United States, and it says they have weekly pay and benefits. So they pay weekly rather than most companies either pay bi-weekly or monthly. So if you're one of those people who like money coming into your bank account every single week, this is for you. Now, they are looking for someone to manage their business day to day of the ticketing, utilizing Zendesk and Salesforce. It says the ideal candidate is a team player and a high-performing individual contributor. So they're looking for someone to assist the product support team with upcoming tickets, processing and staying on track, support the team by checking systems and providing internal stakeholders with status updates, maintaining records of customer onboarding status with attention to detail, and you'll compile, sort, and verify the accuracy of data before it is submitted to leadership. So they are really looking for someone who has 2 years of data entry experience. That is preferred, not required. Experience in any customer-facing role, verbal, written, and communication skills, attention to detail, and great interpersonal skills, the ability to work independently, and if you have previous experience with ticketing systems like Slack, Zendesk, or Salesforce, that is preferred but not required. It does not state that any high school diploma or college degree is required. Now, while they do say they provide benefits, they do not list in the job description what kind of benefit package they do have. So you would have to ask that if you're looking for insurance, paid time off, those sort of things in the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this job lead was not a good fit for you, that's okay. I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.